Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to replace a side view mirror on a Nissan Sentra. First, ensure you have the correct replacement mirror for your specific model. You'll also need a few basic tools: a flathead and Phillips head screwdriver, a socket wrench set, and a trim removal tool. Having these items ready will make the process much smoother and help you avoid any unnecessary delays. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's tackle removing the damaged mirror. Begin by carefully prying off the interior door panel. This will expose the mirror's mounting hardware and electrical connections. Locate and disconnect the electrical connector, then use your socket wrench to remove the 3 mounting bolts. Once those are out, you can gently pull the old mirror assembly away from the door, being mindful of any remaining wires. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install your new one. Carefully position the new mirror assembly onto the door frame, aligning the mounting holes. Insert and tighten the 3 mounting bolts securely with your socket wrench. Don't forget to reconnect the electrical connector. This is crucial for power adjustments and any integrated turn signals. Before putting the door panel back, test all mirror functions to ensure everything works perfectly. You're almost done. Carefully reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips snap into place and the trim is flush. Give your new mirror a final check, testing all power adjustments, heating elements, and turn signals to confirm full functionality. You've successfully replaced your side view mirror, improving both safety and the look of your Nissan Sentra. For more great tips and resources, including a fantastic book on personal finance, check the description below for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.